So in today's video you will learn how you can change your name on Facebook after the latest update. So make sure to watch this video throughout the end so you don't make any mistakes. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our Facebook, and then once we open up Facebook we can now click on our profile picture in the top right hand corner. Once we do this, what we can do now is just simply click on the settings icon, and then once we click on the settings icon we can click on the Meta Account Center right there at the top. So once we click on this, you'll be brought up to this little pop-up window, and then what we need to do is just simply click on profiles right there at the top. Once we click on profiles, you'll be on this page, and what we want to do now is just make sure we are selecting our Facebook profile. So once we select our Facebook profile, we can now click on name, and then once we click on name, you can then go ahead and change it to whatever you like. So for example, if I change it to Ryan HTO, click on review change, and then as you can see, you can choose any of these right here and then click on save changes. So as you can see, once you have done this, that will mean that you have changed your name on Facebook.